This 7-ingredient breakfast slush is perfect for weight loss. For those who are bored of pancakes and cereal bowls and want to accelerate their weight loss journey, here's a simple, easy, and refreshing 7-ingredient slush that is worth a try. Ingredients to use: 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 10 spinach leaves, 1 amla, 1 teaspoon ginger, 4 to 6 almonds, and 6 to 8 ice cubes. Cucumbers are rich in water and soluble fiber. They keep you hydrated, and it aid in weight loss. Green apples are rich in fiber. It keeps you full, and it boosts weight loss. They are also low in fat, sodium, and sugar. Amla is rich in fiber. It helps improve digestion and metabolism. It helps reduce belly fat as well. Step 1. Wash and cut cubes of cucumber, green apple, ginger, and amla. Step 2. Add them into a blender jar along with the spinach and give them a blend. Step 3. Add the almonds and ice cubes, then blend them well until smooth. Step 4. Pour it into a glass and enjoy it for breakfast.
Please subscribe for more healthy, wealthy facts for you.